Want to give your car a fresh, stylish look while protecting your seats from wear and tear? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best universal car seat covers. These picks are designed to combine durability, comfort, and flair for almost any vehicle. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Kalaisike Universal Car Seat Cover. The Kalaisike Universal Car Seat Cover is designed to enhance both comfort and durability in your vehicle. This seat cover offers 3D overall protection, ensuring that your car seats are shielded from wear and tear, dust, and other external elements. It's crafted with a 5-layer composite material that combines a variety of fabrics to provide maximum comfort and longevity. The wear-resistant leather fabric used on the seat cover gives it a premium look while ensuring it stands up to the rigors of daily use. With 10 mm high elastic sponge and 3 mm high elastic sponge incorporated into the design, the cover provides a cushioned feel, enhancing the driving experience. The non-woven fabric layer adds an additional layer of comfort and support, while the comfortable and durable base fabric guarantees the cover will last for years to come. The deluxe edition of this seat cover goes the extra mile in terms of quality and luxury, making it a perfect fit for anyone seeking both functionality and style. Whether you're looking to preserve your car seats or simply enhance your vehicle's interior, the Kalaisike Universal Car Seat Cover offers a practical and elegant solution that elevates comfort while protecting your seats. Number 4 is the Suaviter Universal Car Seat Cover. The Suaviter Universal Car Seat Cover is a versatile and practical solution designed to fit 85% of vehicle models available on the market. This seat cover provides full coverage for the front row, wrapping around 360, while the rear row is covered up to 180. It's an ideal choice for most vehicles, but if you own a car with unique seating, it's recommended to reach out to customer service with a photo of your seat. This allows them to guide you in selecting the most appropriate seat cover for your car. The product is shipped in a folded condition due to logistical requirements related to size and weight. As a result, the seat covers may arrive with creases. Depending on the quantity of your purchase, you could receive 1 to 3 separate packages, which may arrive at different times. If any items are missing upon arrival, customers are advised to contact customer service for assistance in tracking the shipment. For those who prefer to avoid creases, alternative shipping methods can be arranged, though they may take longer to deliver. Please note that customers are responsible for any customs duties associated with the product. Since customs policies vary by country, it's important to check with your local customs office for more information. Suaviter encourages customers to leave a 5-star review if they are satisfied with the product. However, if any issues arise, prompt communication with customer service is encouraged. The team is ready and able to resolve any concerns to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Coming in at number 3 is the Civette Universal Car Seat Cover. The Civette Universal Car Seat Cover combines durability, comfort, and practicality, designed to enhance your driving experience. Crafted from high-quality, wear-resistant PU leather, it offers a sleek and stylish look while ensuring long-lasting use. The cover is filled with elastic sponge material, which not only provides a comfortable feel but also promotes breathability, making it ideal for long drives or daily commutes. One of the standout features of this seat cover is its innovative front seat design. It is constructed as a single piece, which eliminates the need for shifting and sliding, ensuring a secure fit that effectively protects the car seat. This design also contributes to a cleaner, more organized look for your vehicle's interior. The Civette car seat cover is thoughtfully designed with a reserved airbag outlet, allowing for proper functionality in the event of an emergency. This ensures that safety is never compromised, as the cover works seamlessly with your car's built-in features. Eco-conscious drivers will appreciate the materials used in this seat cover. The eco-friendly linen and elastic sponge are breathable, moisture-proof, and soft to the touch, providing a comfortable seating experience while being gentle on the environment. For the rear seats, the cover features a split design, offering flexibility to adjust the fit according to the size of your vehicle. This ensures that it stays securely in place without sliding, maintaining a neat and tailored appearance. Whether you're looking to protect your car seats or add a touch of luxury, the Civette Universal Car Seat Cover offers a functional and stylish solution. Number 2 is the Ocdauto Universal Car Seat Cover. The Ocdauto Universal Car Seat Cover offers a versatile and stylish solution for protecting your vehicle's seats. Designed with a universal fit, it adjusts to bench seats with a length ranging from 50 to 56 inches, making it compatible with a wide variety of vehicles such as sedans, pickup trucks, SUVs, vans, and more. The cover's Velcro connection system makes installation a breeze, as it is simpler to adjust and secure compared to traditional zipper designs. A key feature of this car seat cover is its compatibility with airbags and seat belts. The design carefully accommodates these essential safety components, ensuring that side airbags can deploy in emergencies and that seatbelts remain functional without obstruction. This thoughtful integration allows the cover to seamlessly blend with the original car interior, preserving both safety and convenience. The stylish look of the Ocdauto seat cover is a highlight. It features a faux leather surface with a classic and simple design, enhanced by unique embroidery technology. The smooth, colorful lines bring a vibrant touch to your car's interior, elevating the overall aesthetic. Crafted from high-quality materials, the seat cover is built for durability and comfort. The faux leather is soft, waterproof, and durable, while delicate perforations provide breathability for added comfort during drives. The middle section of the cover uses high-rebound sponge, ensuring optimal resilience and support. Non-slip fabric on the bottom layer keeps the cover securely in place, preventing shifting as you get in and out of the car. Installing the Ocdauto Universal Car Seat Cover is straightforward and quick. The package includes detailed instructions, and installation videos are available for additional guidance. In just 10-20 minutes, your vehicle will have a fresh new look and enhanced comfort, all with minimal effort. And finally, our number one pick is the Carvaa Universal Car Seat Cover. Transform the interior of your vehicle with the Carvaa Universal Car Seat Cover, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and practicality. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your car or protect your seats from daily wear and tear, this seat cover provides an excellent solution. With a wide variety of designs available, it offers a personalized touch, allowing you to enhance your car's aesthetic to match your style. Designed to withstand the test of time, these seat covers are made from top-grade materials that ensure durability and comfort. Their resistance to wear, abrasion, mildew, and fading means your car seats remain looking fresh for longer. Whether you're dealing with spills, dirt, or the elements, the covers are easy to clean and maintain, offering protection without compromising on comfort. The Carvaa seat cover is also crafted with functionality in mind. It comes equipped with features like headrests, airbag cutouts, seatbelt sockets, and convenient map pockets. These thoughtful additions ensure that the seat cover not only looks great but also accommodates essential car functions, providing a secure fit without obstructing any necessary components. Installation is made easy with high-quality buckles, zippers, and flaps that guarantee a snug and secure fit. The materials are consistent throughout the entire seat cover, ensuring no shortcuts in quality. While the cover is designed to be a universal fit, it's important to check compatibility with your vehicle. By providing your car's model, year, and make when placing an order, the Carvaa team can modify the seat cover to ensure a perfect fit for your specific car. Upgrade your vehicle's interior with Carvaa Universal Car Seat Covers, an affordable and stylish way to protect and personalize your ride.